I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trade license online in West Bengal. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for your business type. Next, gather all your essential documents, such as proof of identity, address, and business registration. Finally, navigate to the official West Bengal e-governance portal, which is the only way to submit your application electronically. This preparation will streamline your entire process. Once on the portal, you will need to register and create a new user account. After logging in, proceed to fill out the comprehensive online application form. Be sure to provide accurate details about your business, including its nature and location. Then, carefully upload scanned copies of all your supporting documents, ensuring they meet the specified file size and format requirements for a smooth submission. After completing the form and uploading documents, the next step is to pay the application fee. You can do this online using various secure payment gateways provided on the portal. Before making your final submission, meticulously review all the information you have entered to avoid any discrepancies. Once submitted, remember to note down your unique application reference number. This is crucial for tracking your application's progress. Following your submission, the authorities will begin the verification process of your application and documents. You can regularly check the status of your application directly on the portal using your reference number. Once your application is approved, you will be notified, and you can then download and print your official West Bengal trade license. This completes the online application journey for your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.